Okay, your second math lesson for this week is on quadrilaterals. Whoops. And that just has to do with shapes, 2D shapes. Okay? So quadrilaterals means that it has 4 sides and 4 angles. Alright, so the first one that I want to go over, I'm going to create a little organizer, like a little chart, is going to be a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay? Alright, and that is the shape of it. Now, the features of a parallelogram is that opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So that means that this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to that side. Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Alright? Another feature of it is that it has 2 obtuse angles, and the obtuse angles are right there. It also has 2 acute angles, and the acute angles are the small ones, less than 90 degrees, and they're right there. So this one is acute, and this one is acute. The last feature is that opposite sides are parallel. And we just learned what parallel was. So opposite sides are parallel. That means that this side is parallel to this side, and the top is parallel to the bottom. Alright, so that is a parallelogram. Alright, another type of quadrilateral is a trapezoid. Trapezoid. And that is the odd-shaped one. And it is a trapezoid. Okay? Key features are that the top and bottom are parallel. You'll see that the top and the bottom, oops, I'm sorry, I should have only done one. The top and the bottom are parallel. It also has 2 obtuse angles, and the obtuse are the wide angles. So here are your obtuse. And it also has 2 acute angles. And those are your small ones, the ones that are less than 90 degrees. Okay, that is a trapezoid. Alright, the other shapes, they are related to the parallelogram. Okay, there's 2 shapes that are related to the parallelogram. First one is a rhombus. I'll try my best to draw this one. Alright, so the rhombus and key features about from the rhombus are there's 4 equal sides. All sides are equal. And the opposite sides are parallel. That means that this side is parallel to this side, and this one is parallel to that one. Okay. The other one that is related to a parallelogram is the rectangle. And key features of the rectangle are that opposite sides are parallel. The top is parallel to the bottom. The right side is parallel to the left side. Okay? Opposite sides are equal. The right side is equal to the left side. The top is equal to the bottom. And for the angles, it has 4 90-degree, which are right, angles. I forgot to write the angle for rhombus. Let's go back. For rhombus, it has 2 acute angles, and they're the small ones. Here's an acute, and here's another acute, and it has 2 obtuse angles, and those are the wide ones. Okay, so both of these shapes, the rhombus and the rectangle, are both the square is related to both the rhombus and the rectangle. That means that they all share similar qualities. Alright, so the one thing we know about, or the few things that we know about a square, is that it has 4 equal sides. All sides are the same length. It has 4 right angles. And opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. The top is parallel to the bottom, and the right side is parallel to the left side. Okay. Your key features are also on your lesson page, classify quadrilaterals, and this is on page 467. This is the second part of your homework for this week, your lesson for this week. And like I said, here are some key features. On the back, you're going to use the Venn diagram to sort the quadrilaterals. So you'll just write which ones have the key features, exactly 1 pair, and you're going to use your notes that you took from my notes, or you can use the front page. Here, you're just going to classify, and it tells you here if it's a quadrilateral, trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, or square. Okay? So, you're just going to write down the features. Explain how a trapezoid and a parallelogram are alike, number 7, and how they are different. Again, it's all about writing key features. So, one thing that they have similar is that they are both quadrilaterals. Something that they have in common. Something that is different is that the trapezoid has one set of parallel lines, but the parallelogram has two sets. Okay? If we go back to number 1, just to give you an example, here you're going to find which ones are quadrilaterals. Remember, quadrilateral means that it has 4 shapes. So if they all have, 4 sides. If they all have 4 sides, then they're all quadrilaterals. So we can write that it's a quadrilateral. And then what kind of shape is that? We only see that it has one side of parallel lines. So we're going to say that it is a trapezoid. Number 6, it's also a quadrilateral because it has 2 sides. And you could see that it's also a rectangle. But it could also be a parallelogram. It's a parallelogram also because opposite sides are parallel. Okay? Alright. So you will answer the back and finish the front. Take a picture and send it to your teacher, and that is those are some notes on classifying quadrilaterals. Alright, till next time.